Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today let's learn how to do this design right here. So the first step for this design is to add on a base color. I already have my base coat on, but that is completely optional. So for today, I'm going to apply this Barbie pink color on my nails. So once this dries, I will be back. So I went ahead and added on a top coat once my base color was completely dry. This is totally optional as well, but before you go on to the next step, make sure that your base color or the top coat is completely dry. For the next step, we will need some striping tape. So I've got some right here, and let's go ahead and place them on my nails. Okay, so now the tape is placed, and I've placed it in such a way that the first striping tape goes all the way across my nail, the second one a bit lower and with a bit of gap right here, and the third one even lower and with more of the gap. So once this is done, we can go ahead and add on some black polish. I'm going to use this black polish right here for today. So let me clean up and do this on all of my nails, and I will be back. So my nails are done and the cleanup as well. Now the last step to do here is to add on a top coat. So let's get on with that. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.